Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ihe anyị ga-ekwu okwu ya taa maka ịhụnanya. Prepositions or mbuzo. Mbuzo. Okay? So we'll start with words like, I'm going to use this, okay? How okuchi. Okuchi. Okay? Okuchi dị n'elu iko. Okuchi dị n'elu iko. Okay?
So this is the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp, and this is the main curriculum. However, I want you to come to the side first. You can see where it says included courses. Okay, because there's a lot of things included in the bootcamp. So you can see there's a pronunciation course, there's a weekly challenge. This weekly challenge is different from the one I'll give you weekly. So this weekly challenge is the one that you just do at your own time, okay? But every week I'll give you additional work that you need to complete every week, okay?